first out. Speedball. Speedball like Bailey just stubbed his toe.
No good.
Okay, we got the blindfold on. Now keep in mind, it's a triple threat match. One fall to a finish, correct?
That is correct.
Okay.
I prefer USD, Dave.
Yeah, what is $5 Canadian right now? It's not good.
It's worth like.
There's lava.
Like the $5 chocolate candy.
Thank you, Speedball.
Andrew! Wait,
Andrew!
close enough.
Andrew!
Marco says no one will get hurt for sure. Okay.
Animal doesn't like this!
Okay.
Animal doesn't like this!
Andrew!
That's right. You and me, buddy. Whoa.
Okay, hold on. Everybody calm down. We gotta get ready to go.
All right,
Mel,
guys.
are you in control of this? It's fine if you're not.
We got a match going on here, guys. Put those fuck yous back in your pocket.
No, you have to go in the back.
Okay.
And then you have to say go.
Wait! What's there?
Wait, I can't see anything serious. Yeah. No, that's the point. Okay. And then you say
Yeah, it's a blindfold match. You can't see anything. That's it. That's the whole thing.
Okay.
Everyone's ready?
Ready.
Ring the bell!
Oh, NL Blake is gifting subs.
All right.
Thank
We
you.
got a team player.
Okay. We got some
Ah,
wrestling
we
happening, and an animal is
Oh!
wandering off screen.
Got
We got Redneck Kung Fu in the chat. Designer extraordinaire. Dom is gifting subs.
All right.
Watch the whiteboard.
Kick that whiteboard's ass.
Oh, big headlock takedown by Speedball. Again, if you are gifted a sub, please remember to thank your gifter.
Where'd he go?
All right. Okay. Not quite. Animal. Nope. Animal. Everybody.
I personally want to see that whiteboard get more of a beating.
Oh, Captain Wing subscribing. There's a lot of yelling happening right now, folks. We are peaking high.
There's my pro tag team champion, Andrew, kind of lost.
Oh,
There we go. There we go. That's it. That's why we're the tag team champions.
Andrew grabs the waist. Here comes Speedball. Fighting nobody. Speedball is trying to.
It could be John Cena.
Andrew in control.
Okay, good.
Here comes Speedball. Okay.
Good job, guys.
Okay.
What? Huh? Where are you? Nice saying that.
There is a lot happening here.
Good job, guys. Hold on.
Okay, hold on.
Let's high five, okay? Okay. Good job, guys. High
All right.
five. Yeah!
Oh. Okay.
What's happening? What's that? I heard karate. I don't understand. Are we high fiving or not?
It seems like Speedball is trying to
Are we
bait
supposed to
people
high
in,
five?
but it's not working because there's nobody there.
You did.
Okay. If this is how we're gonna do it, You guys don't want to wrestle? That's fine.
No, I do. I just can't.
I'm gonna throw some kicks, and if you get hit, it'll be your fault.
Oh yeah?
Okay.
Oh yeah. Well, if you're gonna throw some kicks, then I'm gonna throw some palm strikes. Oh yeah, that's your fault. Yes, you.
Okay,
Where are you?
they're approaching each other,
Where are you?
sort of.
Yeah, I'm gonna palm strike you.
All right, then I'm gonna start fighting. And if you get in my way, it's not my fault.
Okay, so.
All right.
All right.
Something's got to give.
Wait,
Not working.
It's funny.
it's not working.
Not working at all.
Redneck Kung Fu says this is like Tekken when you push all the buttons, and yes.
This is true.
Okay.
Hold on.
Listen, this isn't working. Speedball, listen to my voice. Speedball. Let's form an alliance.
Ooh.
Okay, Speedball, we're gonna form an alliance.
What?
You and I together.
But I don't like
We're
that.
gonna beat up the animal.
You and
There's no problem.
have
Wait.
fucked on me one too many times. There's no way we're forming an
Wait.
alliance.
No. Speedball. No.
Veda?
No.
Veda?
Speedball.
Veda?
Speedball.
Veda?
Speedball.
Veda?
What?
Veda?
Oh my God, we're identical. He can't tell the difference. No.
I totally Veda face. Veda, is that you? Yeah, totally.
I like where this is going.
Why is Veda in the match? Veda.
Oh.
Okay, it's fine.
Do you wanna...
This is some gourmet professional wrestling right here.
What's that? Ah! It was Andrew the whole time. Yeah!
champions.
Watch what? I can't see.
What a backbreaker!
Good idea. Oh.
Yeah, I think I'm back.
I got him too.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Okay, big backbreaker! Andrew with the pit. No!
No.
This is bad. This is
Stealing a page from Cameron. Page from Cameron's playbook there.
I was trying to.
No! It's...
You don't talk to me that way. You don't get to talk. Okay? Do you have any idea who I am?
Oh, big...
Oh
No!
my
That could have been a submission, though.
It's not as bad.
Hey.
Doesn't
What?
look like this.
I'm doing team Hawke and Animal.
This.
Hawke and Animal.
Oh, good.
The alliance has broken.
No
Once
vacancy.
again.
Just turn him over.
What? What are you talking about?
Are you stupid or what?
1, 2, 3.
No, you need
Oh
your
my.
shoulders on the mat.
What?
Thank you for
What are you
following
talking about?
Scrimshank.
I
What are you
promise
saying?
you guys, Andrew is usually better than this.
What are you talking about? I was pinning him. Why aren't you counting?
Yo, don't talk to me like this.
Who am I talking to? I don't even know.
I am the ref.
You're the ref. Are you wearing a ref shirt?
Yes, I
Well,
do.
that does make you the ref. Okay.
Speedball's
I'm sorry.
channeling his zen.
I just thought that I had him for 3. If you would have just.
Oh, shit.
You can't just. That's really all you have to do, right? Is count to 3.
I need to,
I need to turn around.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Good idea.
Oh! Double crank.
Shut that!
From here.
Big
Oh,
slam.
Jesus.
These are bad sounds that are happening. What? Don't! No!
Jesus.
That was not even close. Like, not even close.
I'll get you for that.
Oh, Andrew loading up the palm strike.
I felt that one.
Ow!
Some say that when you're tag team champions, you can feel your partner's pain.
Okay, Andrew is out. Animal to big throws.
Here we go. Rainmaker!
Oh no! Mel!
Yeah, where is he?
Oh my god, that shook the whole stadium.
Let's go, ref!
There's no referee. Animal took
Oh
down
my
the
god.
ref.
Let's go, ref!
Melody's in the fetal position in the corner. What is going on here?
Andrew!
What is going
no,
on
no.
here?
Yeah!
No!
We will take it.
No! No, that wasn't the ref. No!
Chicken dinner, yeah!
No!
Andrew,
you're not
The winner of this
referee.
match,
it up, baby!
1/3 of Casanova
yeah.
Productions,
Yeah.
Andrew!
The big snaps, I love it!
No!
Yay!
Nice for Brawls. 2! Too many falls.
I can't take. Holy shit!
No!
What?
That's the referee.
What?
Pump strike!
Andrew had the pin first.
It only matters who the loser is.
God damn it!
Who cut it? Animal does it!
Can I take my
The
life
referee
off
didn't count.
Animal does it!
Hey, Andrew!
Animal
boy.
does it!
The winner.
Yeah!
Andrew, that was 2!
Andrew should get 2 points.
That was 2! Andrew wins?
That was 2!
Andrew, Gingy with the cheers.
I can
All
see
right.
now it's 3.
And
Oh, no!
the animal signed his name on the group project on that one.
I gave him a crucifix!
No, I won!
No, I gave him a crucifix!
Animal wins!
No, Andrew wins!
No, Animal doesn't
That was
win.
2!
What are we gonna do about that?
Oh
Oh my god.
My job is
Oh
done.
my god.
Yeah, you probably should get out of here because that was
2.
a mess. Someone said this is a mess, which thank you.
That was mine! Animal won that
Andrew
fair
wins!
square!
Andrew!
Gingy
won that
has
fair
cheered
square.
100 bits.
Look at
Thank
this!
you.
Yeah, Animal
that both Animal and Andrew will be moving on to match 4, the John Cena match, to see who ultimately cannot be seen, as opposed to Mike Bailey, who can't see anything.
Well, at least I can take my blindfold off.
No!
Right? What?
That was a stipulation. You got to keep the blindfold on for the whole rest of the show.
No, why did I book this?